Hello there, you will be learning how to install and start using a code editor on Android for HTML and CSS. We will be making use of an app called Webcode. Firstly, click on Play Store, then search for Webcode, then click to install. After installation, open the app. Click on Files on the bottom navigation. Then look up for the plus or addition sign, then click it, then it will pop up some list of navigation e folder, file etc. Click Folder to create a new folder and click File to create a new file. For a new website, we make use of a folder and every other page will be a file inside the folder we created. So click on Folder, then name it Tutorial, then click the Create button. Then search and click on the folder among the list of folder on your phone. Then after clicking the folder, click on the plus sign once again, and the select file this time around. Then name the file index.html, because we are creating an HTML page, we use .html. Then click on the file you just created, the index.html, and then the editor is open. You can start writing your HTML code. Remember, the play button is to view changes made to the file.